Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about ABC Interim Report. Agricultural Bank of China Limited offers a wide range of banking products and services through its corporate banking, personal banking, and agriculture operations segments. The company provides various deposit accounts, loans, credit and debit cards, payment and settlement services, private banking, cash management, investment banking, custody, financial market, and financial institution services. Key business areas include deposit accounts, demand, savings, certificates of deposit, loans, housing, consumer, personal auto, business, fixed asset, working capital, real estate, bonds, credit and debit cards, payment and settlement services, private banking, and cash management, investment banking and custody services, financial market and financial institution services, trading and wealth management services, agro-related products and services, telephone, mobile, self-service and SMS banking services, financial leasing services, fund management services, asset custodian services, insurance and reinsurance, related products and services. The ABC stock price surge. A year of growth. In the past year, ABC's stock price has seen a significant increase of 34.7%. Several key factors have contributed to this upward trend. Firstly, the company's strong quarterly earnings reports have exceeded market expectations, boosting investor confidence and driving up demand for its shares. Additionally, ABC's strategic expansion into new markets has expanded its customer base and revenue streams, further solidifying its position in the industry. The company's commitment to innovation and research and development has also led to the launch of several successful new products, which have resonated with consumers and investors alike. Furthermore, ABC's efforts to streamline operations and improve efficiency have resulted in cost savings and increased profitability, making it an attractive investment opportunity for many. Overall, a combination of strong financial performance, strategic growth initiatives, and operational improvements has driven the significant increase in ABC's stock price over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth for the company are multifaceted and widespread across various business segments. Key contributors include the expansion of corporate RMB-denominated settlement accounts, growth in institutional banking customers, and the increased adoption of digital channels such as mobile and online banking. The company's Zhaizian platform has also seen significant expansion to 742 counties, while its custody business, treasury transactions, and pension business have all experienced steady growth. In addition, the company's asset management arm, ABCCA Fund Management Co., Limited, has seen an increase in assets under management and expanded product lines. The cross-border investment banking platform of ABC International Holdings Limited has also contributed to revenue growth through listings and fundraising on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Furthermore, the company's focus on leasing business, innovation of products and business models, and optimization of financial services have all driven revenue growth. Geographically, the company has seen significant growth in various regions, including the Yangtze River Delta, Pearl River Delta, Bohai Rim, Central China, Western China, Northeastern China, and overseas and others. Overall, these drivers have contributed to a substantial increase in interest income of $7,463 million. Net income and profit margins. A shift in trends. The financial summary reveals a mixed bag of changes in net income and profit margins for the company. On one hand, net income saw an increase of 2.4% to RMB 139,943, while also experiencing a significant jump of 23.5% when measured in US dollars. However, this growth is not reflected across all periods, as net income decreased by 6.5% from RMB 97,426 million to RMB 91,118 million. Profit margins tell a different story. Return on average total assets and return on weighted average net assets saw significant declines of 0.74% to 2% and 11.43% to 3%, respectively. Conversely, the net interest margin decreased from 1.66% to 4%. On a positive note, fee and commission income margin increased slightly from 13.87% to 13.91%. The reasons behind these changes are multifaceted. The decrease in yield of interest-earning assets can be attributed to government support for the real economy and lower loan prime rates, LPR. Conversely, an increase in agency commissions and custodian services contributed positively to net income. The company is indeed generating positive operating cash flow. The data from the financial summary indicates that in both 2025 and 2024, the net cash flows generated from operating activities are substantial. In 2025, it reached a high of 1,005,804 million RMB, while in 2024 it was 291,380 million RMB. These figures demonstrate a consistent trend of positive operating cash flow, indicating that the company is financially stable and capable of meeting its obligations. The financial performance of various segments and regions was mixed in the recent period. On a positive note, residential mortgage loans, personal consumption loans, and loans to private businesses showed strong growth. Rural industries, grain supply, and major agricultural products also experienced significant increases in loan balances. The Yangtze River Delta and Bohai Rim regions performed well, with notable growth in their respective economies. However, some segments and regions struggled during this period. Credit card balances remained stagnant, while others saw negligible changes. The Pearl River Delta, Central Region, Northeastern Region, and Western Region all experienced declines in loan balances. Additionally, external interest income decreased by 5.6%, and other non-interest income dropped by 28.2%. Management's outlook on company strategy. The company is shifting its focus towards serving the real economy by supporting green and low-carbon development. This includes adapting investment strategies to ensure liquidity security and refining bond market analysis. The management also emphasizes pursuing progress while ensuring stability, strengthening professionalized operations, and advancing strategic objectives. Key areas of focus include green investments and financing rule of law governance core businesses in agriculture and rural areas, improved supply chain management systems. The company aims to maintain a leading position through its green leasing business and increase green bond investments. Management also prioritizes long-term interests and sustainable development, evident in the distribution of 30% of net profit as interim cash dividends. The company has a history of paying dividends, with a consistent track record of maintaining a dividend payout ratio above 30% since its listing. This indicates a commitment to returning value to shareholders through regular dividend payments. That concludes the financial summary for ABC. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.